Today we're here in Koh Samui in Thailand. Specifically we're in Laem in Koh Samui, one of the popular destinations here. We're currently in our Airbnb, which is actually the cheapest Airbnb we've stayed in. It was only $10 a night. Never stayed in an Airbnb that cheap anywhere. But we are like a 30-minute walk away from the beach, so, and I think now we're in the low season, so it's probably because of that as well. But yeah, really good Airbnb, super fast internet, AC, everything you need really. And the plan today is that we're going to be visiting some temples first, because I've been here so far for a week in Thailand and I still haven't seen any temples, and that's one of the main aspects that I was looking forward to here in Thailand. And then later on we'll probably check out a beach, I'm not sure which one yet. So we just packed up now. I put some other clothes in because I know in the temple I don't think I can dress like this. So yeah, I got like a t-shirt, things like that, so shouldn't have any problems there. And right now we're just going to go ahead and have breakfast and then work out how to get there, because we're not going to be renting a scooter. So yeah, we'll probably just find some sort of public transport to get there. I think it's like 30 minutes away from here. Carol's got her hippie temple pants. How much are they?
150 baht.
Oh, so that's what, like around $5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Yeah, they look pretty cool. And it looks pretty nice around here. Breakfast, we've decided to immerse ourselves in the Thai culture and we've come to 7-Eleven. So I got these like little sandwich things that they heat up. It's like $1 each. These were, I think this is like Yakult, I guess. It's like 7 baht, so probably all 4 is about $1. $1 coffee, Thai style. Alright, so we just got a hold of one of these little jeepneys here. I'm not sure if that's what you call it here. It's like a little van. And we're going to be paying 150 baht each, which is around $5 each. And it's about 35 minutes away. I'm not even sure if that's a good price, probably not, but yeah, that's what we're paying because it seemed pretty hard to get up there without a scooter. So don't really have much other option, it seems.
Ready?
Yeah. Pretty cool entrance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've arrived. The temple is called Big Buddha Temple, and I think it's the most popular temple here in Koh Samui. I think it was built in 1972, and it's actually like on a separate island, but they basically like paved over this road to join the island to the mainland. So yeah, let's check this place out. Alright, so here we have it, the big Buddha. Pretty gigantic, you can see compared to the people here. So I'm not sure how tall it is, it looks like it's about 30 feet. There's no signs with information, so yeah, I don't know. I'd say it's around that height. You can see over here as well, got a beautiful view of the bay from up here. Got these bells. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
You ever been to a Buddhist temple before?
First time. I was very excited to see. It's very nice.
Got some more cool statues here. What's this? The monkey. I forgot to mention also it is actually free. You can drop like donations and stuff, but yeah, there's no cost to come in here, so free admission. Carol, what are we doing?
So we write down our names in these bricks, and they're gonna put in the temple.
So your name's gonna be on the temple forever. All right. So we're heading out of that temple now, but we're gonna be heading to a second temple nearby. I think it's like a 15-minute walk. I haven't seen any pictures of it or anything, but since it's so close, we thought we might as well check it out. Then after that, I think we're definitely gonna go to the beach, right?
Yeah.
So hot today, like insanely hot. So yeah, I just need that ocean. Arrived at the second temple now. Not really sure how you pronounce it, but I think it's called Wat Plai Laem. Wat, I think, means temple. All of them have that name in it. So yeah, we just arrived now. It looks pretty cool. Check it out. Look at that. Really cool here as well. We're on like some lake. So you have this thing here, and then there's loads on the other ones. So really didn't expect this. That is some cool design, right? I think we can go to these other ones, right?
Yeah. There's another bridge over there.
We didn't expect this, did we?
No. Yeah, since the other one is the most famous, I thought it would be.
Yeah. This one's like super colorful. So I couldn't talk much in there because yeah, there was somebody meditating, right? But it was a really awesome place. You had all like the pictures depicting the teachings of the Buddha and stuff. The writing is all in their language, so yeah, I couldn't really read anything. But yeah, this place is pretty incredible so far. And I think now we're gonna head over to the big happy Buddha. We found the meditating cat. He's in a deep state of meditation.
I think.
Now yoga, the famous yoga pose. Incredible, right?
Yeah.
That is one happy guy right there.
Yeah, he's laughing.
So I think we've seen pretty much all the little temples here now. Definitely been an awesome introduction into Buddhist temples. Pretty sure I'm gonna see more mind-blowing ones around the country, but yeah, it's just been awesome. Way better than I expected, like I said. And I film way more than I usually do. I couldn't stop filming because every part just seemed amazing. So yeah, I think you should definitely come here to both of them since they're so close. So I definitely do that. And I think now, like I said before, we're gonna be heading to the beach because this heat is just way too much. Okay, once again we're back on a jeepney and we're heading to a place called Chaweng Beach, a popular beach here. This time they charged us 200 baht, around $6 for 2 people. So we arrived at Chaweng Beach. We had to walk through some like resort to get here. I'm not sure where the road was. Here seems to just be a bunch of resorts from what I can see. Very beautiful, extremely white sand. Probably the nicest color ocean we've seen as well here so far. See there, you got some really beautiful blue water. Yeah, this water is super clear. So the ocean here is really calm. Also, you can see behind me there's like some barrier. So all the waves are hitting that. I'm not sure if that's man-made or natural, but yeah, that's why this part is so still. And a lot of you guys have watched my Philippines videos and have commented on the ocean here, like that it's not as clear, more like a murky, darker color. And yeah, there are a lot of places here with like dark water, like Krabi was like some dark emerald green color. Here seems to be pretty clear. Obviously not like the Philippines though. Philippines was like everywhere was Caribbean, Maldives looking, pretty much everywhere you go. Here there's just a few spots that are like that, I think, but still, yeah, this is still not as clear as the Philippines, but a very nice beach either way. Really warm once again, right? Yeah. I think this is probably the clearest water we've had here, right?
Yeah.
Nice blue color. I said it was busy before, but it's not actually that busy.
Oh, there's just a lot of
resorts, but not many people here. Yeah, a guy last night said we're in the low season. I guess because we had in... Wait, are we in April?
Yeah.
I don't even know what month it is. Yeah, we're in April, so I think February is the last month of the high season or something, so pretty sure this place will get packed since there's so many resorts and stuff. But yeah, right now seems nice, great weather as well. It's just getting really hot now. I think in the high season it's when it's cooler, over like December and stuff. But yeah, we've been having a hard time with the heat lately, but what can you do? Heading out the beach now. Once again, we're going through a resort. We literally looked for a road for like 20 minutes and we couldn't find any. It's just resort, resort, resort. So it's the only way to get out. Looks pretty awesome, this resort though. Check it out, it's like some jungle vibe resort. Hooters, what the hell? Come to a restaurant near the beach. It's like 4 p.m. and we haven't even had lunch yet. So yeah, we just came here. It's a bit more expensive it seems. It looks like our dishes are going to be around $7 each. So, but yeah, we're in a very touristy part, so that's why. You can see the street is very busy. So that's one of the reasons we didn't want to get a scooter, because Carol's the only one that's ridden a scooter before, and she did it in the Philippines, which is all really quiet roads, like pretty much empty. The islands we did it on anyway, and here's just chaotic, everyone driving crazy. So yeah, we were a bit worried. But unfortunately that means we have to spend a bit more on transport, but better to do that and be safe, I think. So I got myself a banana smoothie, just under $2. So I think since I've been in Southeast Asia, I've been having like smoothies every single day, pretty much addicted. I think it's healthy. I hope it is anyway, since I've been drinking it every day. The food has arrived, so this is a huge portion of fish right here. And what is yours?
It's a French dish. There's a cheese inside.
Just cheese?
Chicken, cheese inside.
Alright. That's a big fat piece of cheese and chicken. We're on our way back to Laem, where we're staying. And I think I'm gonna go and get a haircut. Thai haircut. So let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
Alright, got the new haircut. $5 haircut. What do you think?
It's good. It's good. Better than the other one that you had last time.
Yeah, that cut went a bit wrong. Yeah, this is pretty good short. Means I don't have to get it cut for like another 6 weeks or something. And the guy said I look like David Beckham, so I gave him a tip. Going to close the video out now. It is late, it was dark outside as you could see, and we're not going to be doing anything tonight. Yeah, it's been an awesome day really. The temple's pretty mind-blowing. Like I said, I hadn't even really seen photos or anything of them, so I just went there, but I didn't expect them to be that good, especially that second less popular one. Pretty crazy. The only thing is here is extremely like touristy. Probably the most touristy place that I've been so far. It's like very European like city kind of vibe, like touristy places in Europe. So there is that aspect. Sometimes it doesn't even feel like you're in Thailand. It feels like you're just somewhere in Europe. But yeah, it's still amazing either way. Like I've still loved it. But that's like a lot of the places here in Thailand so far. I know we've only been to like Krabi and here, but I'm unsure where you go for like a more authentic experience, like to see more of like the Thai life. Not sure where to go for that. I'd like to see that. So if any of you guys know any cool places where it's more like a local experience, let me know, because we'll definitely check out those spots. Even though I'm enjoying these ones, I just want to be able to experience that as well during my month here. As always, drop a like on this video to help support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos of mine, and I'll see you next time.